Is Monese in trouble? This is a question that has been on the minds of many people in recent weeks, and for good reason. The digital bank has been facing a number of challenges, including a recent data breach and a number of customer complaints. In this video, we're going to take a look at the situation and see if there's any cause for concern. We'll also be discussing some of the alternative options that are available to you if you're considering switching banks. What is Monese? Monese is a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, debit cards, and personal loans. The bank is headquartered in London and has a number of customers across Europe. What are the challenges that Monese is facing? Monese has recently been facing a number of challenges. In September 2023, the bank was fined £1.7 million by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, for failing to adequately protect customer data. The FCA found that Monese had failed to implement adequate security measures to protect customer data from unauthorized access. In addition to the FCA fine, Monese has also been facing a number of customer complaints. In recent months, there have been a number of reports of customers being unable to access their accounts or being charged unexpected fees. Is there any cause for concern? It is important to note that Monese is a regulated bank, and as such, it is subject to the same rules and regulations as other banks in the UK. The FCA fine and the customer complaints are certainly cause for concern, but it is important to remember that these are isolated incidents. If you are considering using Monese, it is important to weigh the risks and benefits carefully. The bank offers a number of attractive features, such as free international transfers and no monthly fees. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks before opening an account. What are the alternative options? If you are concerned about the risks associated with using Monese, there are a number of alternative options available to you. Here are a few of the best options. Revolut. Revolut is a digital bank that offers a similar range of services to Monese. The bank is regulated by the FCA and has a good reputation for customer service. Monzo. Monzo is another digital bank that is popular with younger customers. The bank offers a range of features, including free international transfers and overdraft facilities. Starling Bank. Starling Bank is a challenger bank that offers a range of current accounts and savings accounts. The bank is regulated by the FCA and has a good reputation for customer service. In conclusion, it is important to weigh the risks and benefits carefully before deciding whether or not to use Monese. The bank offers a number of attractive features, but it is important to be aware of the potential risks before opening an account. If you are concerned about the risks associated with using Monese, there are a number of alternative options available to you. It is important to choose a bank that is right for you and your individual needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.